Right, here we have an 8x4 1920s Riley table. It's been badly sun bleached. I think mainly because at some point it's been repolished with polyurethane, which has a tendency to react badly to sunlight, and it sort of, as you can see, forms a haze over the original colour compared to that one, and makes everything look a yellowy colour. It's also a bit of a bugger to strip, but that's what we'll be doing this week. We'll be stripping the rest of this table down and preparing it. I have already started on the cushions over here. I did these about a week ago. They've all been stripped back to the bare wood, and hopefully you can see the logo here. I've managed to save the logo, scraped around that and saved it. So we'll be polishing this one as well. Hopefully you can see that apart from the polyurethane, the actual woodwork is in pretty good nick, so that'd be a nice one to do.